Super easy to order DESS parts and pieces just like you're thumbing through a catalog on our website. So from the website, and or you can have a shortcut in your taskbar to go directly to the catalog. Select the Zahn catalog here. Look for what platform you're looking for. Nobel, Zimmer, Straumann, Astra, whatever implant platform you're looking for, you can select the type first. We're going to go ahead and go to Active, Nobel Active. From there I can look at healing abutments, scan bodies, temporary cylinders. What we're going to select is a 10-pack of analogs. From the 10-pack of the analogs here, now I get to select what quantity. I'm going to go ahead and type a 2 in there to select a quantity of 2. Notice it'll tell me that the item is in stock. After I add that to cart, now I'm going to take a look at my cart. I could go back to the catalog now still and add in more parts if I wanted to put some scan bodies on there, if I wanted to put some analogs for a different type of implant. All of that is very easy. Type my purchase order number in here. Tells me my order total, and I'm going to go ahead and check out. Oh, it's saying maybe you need another diameter of platform on your Nobel analogs. You're right, I'm glad it reminded me. So now I can go ahead and select that I want a wider platform too. Give me the regular platform, the 4.3 as well. I'll take one of those. Select Add to Cart. And next it's a super simple checkout process. Select what I have here. And then check out down at the bottom. Now it'll give me my shipping confirmation for the date of arrival, and then I can select overnight or whatever I would like. That's the simple process of ordering from our DESS catalog on the website, just as if I'm looking through the catalog itself. Select all my shipping and scheduling requirements here and select OK. Review my order confirmation.